How to transfer money from Netspend card to Cash App. Open up your Cash App application and make sure that you have linked your Netspend card to your Cash App. If you do not know how, follow this simple step first. Tap on the profile icon at the top of your Cash App application, so go ahead and tap on it. Then you will find the option of linked banks. You have to go ahead and tap on the option of linked banks. From here, you have to select the option of link a card. For this, select your Netspend card and make sure to enter the credential of your Netspend card. For this, you will require your card number, account holder name, expiration date, and your 3-digit security code. Once you add all of this detail about your credit card, you can head back from here. Once you land in your home page, tap on the bank icon at the bottom. From here, you have to tap on Add Cash. Once you tap on it, you will find a dialog box where you can select a certain amount of money or a 3-dot to which you can add your custom amount of money. Once you have added the money, simply tap on Add. And just like that, you'll be able to transfer money from your Netspend card to your Cash App. Keep in mind that fees and processing times may vary depending on the specific services and account involved. Be sure to review any applicable fees and terms of services before initiating transfers. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.